Hello there. Today, the random number chosen was 64, so gadolinium it is. Gadolinium is another rare earth element, though one perhaps slightly more well known than some of the others, although it is still relatively obscure. It melts at 2,395 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at 5,293 degrees Fahrenheit. It is relatively dense at 7.9 grams per cubic centimeter. Gadolinium is rather ordinary looking. Well, the lanthani just aren't that exciting looking in general, with maybe a couple of exceptions, and there's really not much I can do about that. Gadolinium works as a contrast agent when you get an MRI. This makes it much easier to identify things such as malignant tumors. The safety of this has been called into question as the human body retains the gadolinium for quite some time afterward, but it is still used. Gadolinium also is often used in alloys, as even a small amount of it greatly improves the workability of iron and chromium. As is the case with other rare earth elements, gadolinium is good at absorbing neutrons, and it is thus utilized for this purpose in nuclear reactors. Gadolinium compounds are used as hosts for phosphors in fluorescent lamps and are used in X-ray machines. Gadolinium-157 is used in neutron therapy. Scientists are exploring the possibility of using gadolinium barium copper oxide for its superconducting properties. Gadolinium is named after the mineral gadolinite, which is itself named after the Finnish scientist Johann Gadolin. It was discovered in 1880 as gadolinium oxide, which had obviously come from a then unknown element. It was first isolated in 1886. I suppose it would be kind of cumbersome to call them fairly uncommon earth elements, but that's mostly what they are. Gadolinium is the 41st most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It's less common than 7 rare earth elements and more common than 9 of them. It plays no biological role and it is mildly toxic. So I guess there's more to this element than I had initially thought. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.